How to create Google Photos link. So if you want to share photos on your Google Photos using a particular link, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to create Google Photos link, all you just need to do is to make sure you have the Google Photos app installed on your phone and you are signed into the same Google account you have on your phone. So go ahead and open the Google Photo. Then once you open the Google Photo, hang on for the photos to open. Once the photos open just like this, scroll through the gallery page and then locate the photo whose link you want to generate. Let's say this. Then once you find the photo whose link you want to generate, you can just click on the share button. Hang on. Then once you click on the share button, you should see the photo comes up just like this. Then you should see create link, send in photos, add to album, or share on your social media. Then go ahead and click on create link. Now once you click on create link, you should see link is creating. And then the photos link will be created just like this. So, and then choose the photo and it's going to be added to your shared album. Now, to create the photo link, now go ahead and copy the photo link. Once you copy the photo link, just go ahead and then send it to anyone either on social media or via your email. Now, to confirm that you've successfully created the photo link, just open a browser and on the browser, paste the photo link you created and then send it. Once you pasted the photo link created and hang on, then you should see the photo just like this. So if you have multiple photos on this link, then you'll be able to create a photo link for these multiple photos. To create a link for multiple photos, go ahead and then select all the photos you want to create a multiple link for. So keep selecting the photos like this. And then once you're done selecting these photos, go ahead and click on the share button. Then again, you should see the total number of items you selected. Select 7 items only. 9 items, this include photo stacks, that is duplication. So go ahead and select 8 of this. Then hang on. Then once you hang on, you see all the photos you selected here. So you have a few photos here now. Then go ahead and click on create link from the pop. Then once you hit create link, hang on while this link is created. And once the link is created, click on copy the link. And then go back and send it to whatever you want to send it to, or open a browser to confirm the photo link before you send it. Then you should see the list of the photos in this link. You see that? So that is basically how to create Google Photo link either on Android or on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.